Hello everyone, Ryan here with a quick explanation of what resetting a project does and maybe why you might want to do it. So here we have a brand new project. There hasn't been any proofing done, there hasn't been anything in the pronunciation section, there hasn't been anything done in the characters. So I'm going to add some characters so you can see these characters have been added. Add some pronunciation. You can see here's some things in here. So we have things in the pronunciation in the character guide. And then in the proofing part, I'm going to open up this first chapter, say open proofing, and we're going to put a whole bunch of pickups in here. So this is sort of illustrating, moving through some prep work and some proofing work. And you can see where 14 of 19 are open and there are things in here. Now, when you reset a project, and by the way, that option is down here in project settings. When you reset an entire project, what it basically does is it zeroes out those three things. It zeroes out proofing, it zeroes out pronunciation, and it zeroes out characters. If you have added anything from importing, so import DAW markers, it does not zero those out. So it's kind of a separate function. So if you import DAW markers and you want to just get rid of those imported DAW markers, here is that clear imported annotations command. So a total reset on the whole project is reset the entire project and clear the imported annotations. They are separate functions, but both of them will take you back down to the zero state. Now, why might you want to reset? Oh, I should show you what it looks like. So see that 14 of 19 open, 0 of 5 fixed. We're going to reset the entire project. It's going to tell you to say yes. And now you'll see it goes back to 19 of 19 open. And over here, there's no longer anything in there. So why would you want to reset a project? I even call this one the demo reset. If you are practicing with a team, or if you're part of a production house and you want to give a project for someone to practice, it gives them a chance to work through it. And then you want someone else to practice on that same one, or you want to demo what you're doing. Anytime you need to get back to that zero state, that's what you use the reset entire project from. The only thing that I think I've ever seen it for is strictly for training purposes, because once you've done work, you don't really want to lose it unless it's not something that you wouldn't want to lose your work, I guess. So that's kind of the long answer for where do you reset projects, which is down here, and why you might want to. And I think that should be all set.